we are going to see how we can fix this type of problem where one element is hidden under another div or container. So as you can see, my left arrow is hidden here under this element. I don't know where it is hidden, but let's find out and fix this. So first of all, let's inspect, and then we should find out the main container of this section. So if we try to find out, let's say we have this part here, this part can be responsible for this issue. So if we see this, we have to check if this part is causing this issue. So as you can see, these are some individual parts. So these are not, these parts are not responsible for hiding this part, hiding the arrow. So I think we should go higher on the DOM tree. So as we go higher, we can see that these are the descendants of this container. So this is responsible, and the arrow buttons are also the descendant of this container. So click here and let's check by saying that overflow should be visible. And as you can see, we are not seeing any changes here. So let's go one step higher. So there is another container or wrapper of the whole div. So let's add overflow visible here. And as you can see, we can see that these arrows are visible, 100% visible. So the main concept is find the main div or parent div or maybe grandparent and try to use overflow visible so that they allow the overflowing elements, child elements. So, and as you can see, this is child, but this is using position absolute. So the relative position of this element is causing the visibility hidden or overflow hidden issue. So this is how you can fix this hidden issue. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you.